When people talk about a flat lock, they're talking about a manipulated stitch on the serger, which I'm going to show you how to do. But you can do it both decoratively, where this flat lock has a decorative stitch or decorative thread put in, or you can also do it so you use the reverse side. Now this flat lock is the back side, but also put variegated thread in the needle, where on the other side it was actually in the looper. So it just depends on how you're going to flatten it out. You could put this as a hem, you can put it to piece things together like I did. It's just a very unique stitch. Here is one more choice by using the where you do it with the needle and showing the needle size. This is ribbon that is woven through, yes, it took a little time to do that, woven through the flat lock and created this fun little edge along this pillow. Kind of reminds me of a little like a tuxedo edge to it. Really elegant. All right, so what are we talking about? We are talking about using just one needle. I prefer a wide flat lock. So by taking out the inside needle, so we're going to remove the right needle, start by clipping and pulling out the pink thread here, remove the whole spool from the machine. But to make it actually lay flat, we need to reduce the tension greatly. So we'll start by reducing that. And take out the needle. When you take out the needle, just remember to make sure that the one you are using gets back up to the highest position. So I'm kind of holding on to this, making the right one come down. Yes, you need two hands for this. And then sliding the needle that you are keeping all the way back up to the highest position and tightening it gently. Okay, so now it's a matter of how we are going to stitch. So usually I do tighten one of these tensions here, but let's just see what we're going to get just by stitching along the fold of our fabric. And you can cut something off just like I did. But let's take a look at what you're seeing. So you're going to see like a regular 3-thread wide overlock on the front side. But on the back side, we should have a little bit more of the yellow showing. So I'm kind of doing this in steps so you can see this. Next, we're going to tighten up the lower looper and a little bit of the upper looper. And let me show you what we're going for here. So again, looks like a 3-thread on the front, and more of the yellow is showing. This yellow that's showing is so loose, that's what makes it lay flat. So right now, if we wanted this to be kind of our front side, we would want to put the color we want to show in our upper looper. And if we wanted to have this side show, this is where I took the ribbon and wove it in and out through the ladders here, is I would want to put the decorative thread. So if I wanted pink to be back here, I would put the pink in the outside needle with the tension that's been completely reduced to nothing. So depending on which way you want your decorative stitch to look, you can apply your decorative thread to either the upper looper or the needle.